I start now.
Ganso.
Hola, ladies. ¿Cómo estás?
Hey!
We can swim around them. Oh, we can't, and we won't, because I'm gonna get rid of them.
Yes, sir.
Well, but not when they take up the whole pool.
Yeah, who canceled the maid service?
Good morning, everybody.
Juice time.
Wow. Thank you.
Juice? No?
Hey, Fozzie, what's that cheap cologne you're wearing?
Kohlrabi.
Yeah, I haven't smelled anything like that since I was stationed in Marseille.
She's right. Oh, Boober, this is horrible.
No.
Wow, is that weird or what?
Small joke, boss.
She's right.
Oh, I see.
Oh, it's killing the nobblies.
Oh.
Local poultry.
Like disguising their car so they won't be recognized.
I'm saved.
Well, this could be our future.
Yes.
No, Red, no, I'm not gonna let you kill innocent nobblies. But what about the underwater frolic? Those nobblies are ruining everything.
Yeah, well, my luggage was sucked out the door.
Yeah, like he feels too responsible for us. We've had some job offers. They're kind of out of town, right?
Man, he'd be better off if we left town.
Luckily, my radio's frozen to my wrist.
That's not what the horse said.
Haven't I been here before?
Cool.
No.
Wow, is that...
Small joke, boss.
Good one, Pinkie Pie. You're always pulling a fast one on me.
No.
Wow, is that weird or what?
Don't be silly. Dragons are fireproof.
Okay. Check.
We're much the same thing. We're true as scrolls.
Was that weird or what?
I can think of one thing.
Rizzo, you're not gonna believe this! Stop hiccuping, soldier! That's an order! Try a drink of water!
You gotta hang upside down, spin around while you touch your tongue.
Sorry.
Drink of water!
I've got this.
Just some deep cleansing breaths.
Yeah, sorry, I lost my glasses.
Hey, I found out I got worms. This is just where I am right now.
Boy, it's a good thing you didn't tell everybody where Lady Holiday lives. Otherwise, they'd all be camped on her doorstep.
That is just for you and me to know, brother. We are going to have ourselves a time tonight. Waka waka!
Yeah, well, my luggage was sucked out the door.
No way! Pete's also for number!
It's no use. We've been trying for hours.
There's nothing left to do. We have to go on without him.
Kermit, please! We need to come back to us!
It's just... We've had some job offers, right?
Yeah, right. Job offer.
Yeah. Job offers where they are. Yeah.
What job did I get?
I'll trade with anyone that has a jacuzzi.
Yeah, well, my luggage was sucked out the door.